and welcome to Field Notes. Today I'm going to be talking about 4 basic principles that are pretty crucial to understanding geology. So if you've been in any sort of geology class, you might remember a relative dating sheet where it was your job to figure out the order of events. Now, how you would figure out the order of events is based on these principles. Now, it's important to note that all of these laws are only applicable if the said area is undeformed. These principles were developed by a Catholic bishop by the name of Nicholas Steno and are thus dubbed Steno's laws. All of these principles, when you think about it, are very commonsensical, but they are very important to understanding geologic time. So starting at the top, or should I say the bottom, is the principle of superposition. This principle states that the oldest is going to be on the bottom and the youngest is going to be on the top. Next up is the principle of original horizontality. This basically says that at first the material is laid down as close to horizontally as is possible. Third, we have the principle of lateral continuity. This states that a material will be laid out continuously in every direction unless stopped by another object. For example, if you have a river or another body of water and you have sandstone on one side of the river, you should expect to see that same sandstone on the other side. Finally, we have the principle of cross-cutting relationships. This is basically if you have an igneous intrusion or a dike, it has to have something to actually cut across, so what it's cutting across had to be there first. So those are the 4 principles developed by Nicholas Steno. These are pretty basic, but are definitely necessary if you want to continue on in geology and interpret things on a larger scale. Remember to like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I will see you next time. What do you call those? Let's call my boyfriend, who's also a geologist. Hi. I have a real quick question. In class, they would give us those sheets, and you had to label like what event came first. I tried to call it a strat column. Are you Googling it?